Hey internet friends, my partner and I recently bought our first house, a 90 plus year old house. As you can imagine, there is a lot of maintenance to do. Yes, I know this roof has to go, and we are lucky it just hasn't leaked yet. But that's a problem for next year's crying wallet. Because the roof is breaking down, we have gravel in our gutters, which is clogging the downspout. The dirt is too heavy, so the leaf blower and the pressure washer can't get rid of it. You can kind of see those streaks from my attempts. It also makes a huge mess because of the organic matter which hasn't been removed in years. So I found a shop vac expansion from RIDGID online which is designed for gutter cleaning. It has this additional narrow nozzle attachment which I'm hoping will give it more suction on the heavier particles. Let's order it and give it a try.
A few moments later.
Alright, it took about a week from UPS, but the attachment has arrived. Let's get this set up. The package is very simple, two extensions, the angled hose, and the nozzle. I already did have the longer hose from RIDGID, and my original shop vac set had two longer tubes which gave me just enough length. I was lucky in that I could reach the gutter from my patio. However, if you need more length, you could get more extensions or maybe work from a ladder. Just be, safe obviously about that. I think the longer hose is a must to give you more room for maneuverability. The quality of the tubes are fantastic, identical in fact to the ones that came with the RIDGID shop vac. I suspect it could take a few additional lengths without issue. However, it probably will get a little bit heavy and more difficult to manage. Most of the parts clip together, however, the final nozzle doesn't clip into the angled piece. Some online reviews have mentioned that the friction fit was insufficient and the nozzle has fallen off during use. This didn't happen for me as I only cleaned a small area and I didn't lean the nozzle on the gutter, but you could likely duct tape the pieces together without impacting the performance at all. It would be great, however, to see them update the design with a clip, and it's only a minor issue in my opinion. Alright, now that we're set up, let's get to cleaning. Look at that. The kit made very quick work of the gravel. The one downside is that the smaller nozzle does get clogged with leaves, so I suspect when cleaning primarily leaves, you would probably want to leave that final piece off. Due to the awkward angle in that corner, I didn't quite get everything, but I'm super happy with the results. I do have the 6 horsepower RIDGID shop vac, so your results may differ depending on how much suction you have. Alright, that's all for now, folks. If you have any pro tips to share for a novice first time homeowner or ideas for me to try, let me know in the comments below and let's restore my home together. See you next time.